guys, yo, I'm going to make ligot, pero I don't know what to wear. So, let's join me. But not on the CR, bro. Bye. Let's ikot-ikot. So, let's just check from here. Hello. So, yeah, we're going to pili here because this is the only clothes for top that I have, since most of my gamit are nasa boarding house. Those are my decent clothes, and these are not, are just my pambahay. So nalinis ko na ito kanina eh. Bakit? I'm such an organized girl. So I like to wear white because why not? Pero kasi it's malas daw. So I'm gonna wear first the bra, the panty. I'm not gonna wear white panty, okay? It's malas. So I'm choosing right this one, or oh no, I want this one eh. Or magpapantulog na lang ako kasi diretso naman ako ng tulog. Not the black bra, the red bra. Like, hello. Yan, this is the one to choose. It's cute, oh. Diba? And for my pambaba, I'm thinking of this one. It's a red, bro. No. I'm choosing this white pants that has a stripes on. Or this my PE. I don't know. Should I choose this one na lang? This pants. Or I have palda here that I haven't used pa. Sige, this ano na lang. This pants. Kasi parang it's giving Christmas, that one eh. So this is my choice. Clothes. So yeah, I'm doing this because I want to. Yeah, para bang Christmas party ang atake, diba? Pala, inikot-ikot ko nga pala yung epic natin. Yaw, talaga naman. Diba? Polka dots yan. Na red. Kasi, sabi sa inyo eh. Fit check. Anong haircut ko, guys? Yan ang ating fit check. We look like. Look at my face. Should I cut my hair? No. Okay na to. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Ang bunot natin for today is, ano ba? Ano theme natin? Hindi ko alam. So yan. Ang theme natin for today is spend time with me. So yeah. Our theme for today is, our subject is, ano yan? Don't mind that shit. Check up eh. So our topic for today is, our content kasi. So our content for today is spend time with me sa New Year. Kasi anong gagawin ko? Mag-aantay lang ako sa wall. It's so mahaba. Ano ba oras na? It's already, I don't know, bakit walang oras to? It's already 7:57. So ayun, niligo na ako, guys. Mamaya fit check. So, yun ang itsura ko. I think I already done my deed. Deed? Gusto yun, gano'n. Kasi nagawa ko na yung kilay ko. Look at this. Perfect. Masterpiece. That's the work of art, bitch. So, yun na nga. And then, hindi ko pa naayos ang hair ko. Ayusin ko mamaya, pero hindi ko na siya pa-plancha rin. So, hello. Bukit siya, di ba sa? Tapos, ayan, may mga glitters na ako sa mukha. Pero ko na nga lang. Check ko na yung sarili. Ay, parang kasi ko na dayan. Parang, sige na nga. So, ayun na nga. Lilipin na ako. Sa bullets. Rar. Pero horse ang ating tipo today. So, wala pa akong blush ha. Kailangan, nakapakak tayo, guys. So, ayun na nga. Anong gagawin ko? Wala pa naman Christmas. Diba? Kaya, Christmas, wala pa naman glitter. So, yun na nga. I was saying kanina na this year should be different. I should spend my New Year differently. Kasi parang last year, diba, nag-antay lang ako ba? Nag-nood lang ako. Tapos, after yun, nag-antay ng countdown, ng bate-bate. And then, pumunta na ako sa kapitbahay at nakalamon. Pero this year, it will be different. Like, different. So, ayun. When I say it's different. Like, look at me. Look at myself. So, different. Kasi last year, wala na mukha akong potato. Like, tingnan mo. Tukot na si. Super sarap. Teacher nga pala ako, guys. I'm in my practice teaching. Like, I'm BEd. So, if you don't know me, you will soon find who I am, but not today. Because nga, ating content is be with me. Be with me. Parang po. Ay, bawal. B words. So, ayun na nga. May eyeliner na ako, guys. Oh, eyeliner. Ayun, may eyeliner na ako. May kilay na din ako, diba? Hindi niya naabutan yung kilay ko. Hindi niya abot. So, ayun. Oh, may highlighter na din ako. Hindi niya lang kita kasi, hello, Android. Android to be, Android. Pero anyway, ako na lang, enough na ako eh. So, parang bagay sa akin ng kulot. Like, magpa-wall cut talit tayo. Wall cut! No way. Ayun na, nakita niyo ba yung kintab? Hindi. Kintab, anyway, like, don't mind the girls na lang na dumating. Kasi, hello, focus on me. Bakit what are you wearing ba? Oh, white. She's going to, we're after tradition kasi our family is after the tradition, like the Kung Fu traditions. Like, we're wearing red, like that, like sweat, yeah. So, I'm not gonna risk my swerte just by wearing white. Even though it's the color of the year. So, I'm wearing red. Nakakayos. Ang ganda no? Beautiful girl, all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time will be waste. Dapat halatang halata yung kintab na yan. Kasi dapat, my life is like, so glittery, so shimmery, so gold, so silver, so rich. Akin ito, so, yun na? Sila be like, Happy New Year! I'll be like, akin 2026! Ay, lahat! Kasi, if hindi ko makuha 2026, akin 2027, 2028, 2030. Oh, I will, I think 2030 is like, pero feeling ko talaga 2026 is my year. Like, hello? Ngayon pa lang nararamdaman ko nang sumasakses ako eh. Hindi na ako natapos dito. Pero look at me naman, oh. Hindi kasi ito dahil sa makeup kasi wala naman ako makeup. Ano to? Ay, makeup pala to. Hindi naman, pero hindi siya full glam. But anyway, makeup pa rin yun. Enhance me features. Like, look at me. Labon. Oh, me and my friends have a humor eh. I don't know if it's our humor or it's for everyone. Kasi, I'm not socially active kasi. Para sila, hindi naman. Hihimu din. Sobrang sarap, sobrang ganda, hihimu din. Yuck! That's, ganda yung ngipin ko. So, okay na to. Ayan ang makeup natin. Na? Jenny Kim! Tapos Jisoo. Ang bata. Next naman, anong meron pa dito? Kilay natin. Ito, kilay ko. Diba? Kahit pang kilay ko, gold. Kasi I feel it eh. I feel it. So, ito yun. Nasa basket to, guys. Basket? Ayun o, basket. So, anong choices natin? Ang choices natin dito ay sobrang linis na ating salamin. So, meron tayo ditong brown na ginamit ko para sa dulo, para soft lang yung atake niya. Ay, yun. Hindi pantay. Ayan. Dito natin siya ginamit sa dulo para soft, low, soft. Guys, can you believe it? Marunong na ako gumamit ng kilay. Kahit na paano. Pantay ba? Pwede na yan. Our goal nga is I don't give a fuck, diba? 2026. We don't give a fuck to those people that are bashing us. Para bang i-bash ako, pero nire-live kasi. So we have naman here the gray. Kasi low black ang aking kilay. At ayaw umangat. Ayan, dito naman natin siya ilalagay. Gray lang binili ko, hindi yung itim. Kasi para soft lang. Para mukha pa din siya natural. Kahit na may sabi sa inyo, wala rin ako. Hello, sobrang galing ko kayo mag-edit sa picture ng kilay kong kalbo. Dito pa kayo, meron na akong pakilay sa real life. O, diba? It's gold. Sana na natin siya. I-brush natin. Para mukhang natural. Anyway guys, alam nyo ba? Hindi ko alam, diba? Ano pa bang something that I can talk about right now? So I feel like talking kasi kanina tulog lang ako. Kasi nga nagpe-prepare ako. Para, alam niyo na, walang tutulog ng bagong taon. Kasi nga lalayas ko after mag-spend here. Like, pag na-claim ko na yung 2026. Bati, and then, layas na agad. Pero hindi, kakain muna ako ng, food, na fruits. Baka kumain pa kayo ng ha. Ngayon guys, walang kakain dito ng grapes, ng 12 grapes sa ilalim ng lamesa. Kasi bakit? Di ba? Para saan? Kailangan ba natin yan? We don't need men. Men need women. Men need us. Oh, wow. Na para bang? Hindi ganun. Pero, ganun talaga. Ganun. Kasi iba ganito ginagawa ko kung pwede naman patalikod. I think it's true. I think. Kasi, wala lang ako sa TikTok para naman totoo siya. Pero, bakit ba natin kailangan yun? We're too young. And young girls don't need boys. We need money. I don't need that. Sila, kailangan nila yun. Ako hindi ko kailangan yun. Kasi what I need is a scholarship. A good grades. A beautiful face. Healthy body. Kahit hindi na sexy. Kasi look at me naman, like, I just need, Lara Jean. Annie from Houston. Kilala mo ba yun? Hindi mo kilala si Lara Jean? She's the it girl of every book. Kish girls. Like Annie from Houston. I love you better with Amy. So, ayun na guys. She's joining me na in our live. What she will do? What will you do? Kanino yan? Patay ka kay Sayra yan. She's stealing, guys, the perfume of our another sisters. Where the? Manalo sisters. I hope you get the reference. No? Ayun, yan. She's applying the... Ano yung tawag dyan? She's applying the eyelash curl. Ano yung eyelash? Mascara. She's applying the mascara sa kanyang eyebrow. When in fact, I have the eyebrow pencil that she can use to draw and align her and to fix her eyebrow. Why? English on English, Filipino guys, pero
Kapal lang kilay ko, boy.
oh my god, is that
Ano yung tawag doon?
is that harassment? Harassment? Sabi sa inyo, kaya hindi ako nag-English major. Kaya ako nag-elementary major, di ba? Para, hindi ko kailangan masyadong, I have to. Kaya ako nag-English right here, Kasi nga, para, I will get to use the English. Yes, English! So, what are the other product that she has? It's not ours. Ayun. Di ko pa kaya, marami pa tayong inaasay-kasaw. Paano ko ba kinapitan yung kanina? So, ano pa ba? Brush. So, pro na ng aking di ba? Wala lang, gusto ko lang i-brush yan kahit wala naman siyang parang wala lang, parang feeling ko lang di ba? Parang na-define na kahit wala naman siyang hindi ko naman in-apply. Parang wala lang, parang manifestation. So, di ba? Parang the most effective way to improve yourself first is the manifestation. Like, you have to believe in. You have to believe in something that you wanted. So, in that way, you can achieve it. Kasi you believe naniniwala ka Like, you'll see talaga at the end of the year, you'll see like, oh, she's right, bitch. She's right. I'm the new vlogger. Ilang minutes na ba to? Sobrang haba na pala Cut muna natin. Hindi nyo naabutan yung pasabog. Ito So, ayun na nga guys. Wala na kumain kayo. Mag-brush na lang tayo ng ating buhok. Diba? Kung itatanong nyo ako kung anong haircut ito, ano lang yan? Eliza's cut. So, ayun na nga po. Team Kapit po ako. No one asked, but I would like to share that I'm Team Kapit. Like cup and heat. Wala lang. Okay mo ba? Nandito ako sa era ng 2026 kung saan may kaganapang nangyayari sa PBB. Saan meron PBB? 2.0 Celebrity Edition. Ang Team Kapit po ako, just case in the future that you will know. At kapag nabalikan ko yung video na to, like, realize ko, ito pala yun, yung time na yun. Like, parang memories bring back. Ganun. Sobrang ganda ko talaga. Kasi malabo to, diba? Sana nilinis ko. Kasi hindi naman talaga to. Hindi tayo scripted, guys. Salata naman, sa dumi pala ng mirror namin. halata mo na biglaan nangyari to. Bigla akong decide na, uy, magbablog ako for today. Or sama ko kayo. Sama kita, future ala. I'm doing this nga kasi, hindi naman talaga para kanino ba tong video na to, diba? Hindi, para sa sarili ko lang din. Pinupost ko nga to eh. Parang mga mababalikan ko to sa future. Tapos nga, edit ko to, tapos ipopost ko, tapos wala lang, para sa future, mabalikan ko siya na may memories ako. Kasi nga, memories are not supposed to last, but they are supposed to be remembered, and I want to be remembered. I want to remember this day as I go to the future. Music! Yeah, music! Okay na. Too much exposure. I'm the bida here kasi, ayan na guys. Diba, wala namang kwenta tong vlog na to eh. Kaya sa kanya na lang tayo mag-focus. Lara Jean 2.0. Ano siya? She doesn't cook, but she ate. Ay, look at her outfit, bro. She doesn't cook, but she ate. Ano pa ba? What are things that I will, o diba? We're sharing the same product that we don't own. Kasi we're so malupit talaga. Mga kabatan talaga tayo. We're going to ask us what our pants, our invisible pants will be called. It will be called kawats. Kawatsan. Sabi ko na wag na lang mag-joke. Way to the room and all. O, diba? Like, look at me. Look at me and look at you. Look at me and look at you. So, yun na. Bye-bye! Next time na lang ulit. Mamaya na lang ulit. Paglalamon na ulit ako. Kasi look at me naman. Final na. Look at me and look at you. Final look. Adik. Oh, look at me. Okay na yun. O nalang sana ang iyong minahal. Di ka na muling wag. Ano sa na doon? Kung ako na lang sana. Ako na lang kasi. Ako na lang kasi. Di, joke lang. Wala yun. Laki naman ng bugalya mo. Hans will say, I look so sexy. Look at me, look at you. Super gorgeous talaga. Checking down. Yun na nga. Kukuha na tayo ng pag-ano natin eh. Yan. Wah! So here's all I ate sa New Year. So here's all I ate. So here's all I ate sa New Year edition. So here's all I ate sa New Year's edition. Pasmado na ako kakakain ng Christmas. Let's go! Sopas. Sopas, guys. Visit ang ganap na aking pamilya. Ipapatugtog niya siya dyan. Magpapaingay. Kasi nga, hello, bagong taon. And then the other one is the other one. Hindi natin siya ipapakita kasi she will be that mysterious one. Mysterious one! This is, dumaan yung other member of the family. Si Pusa. Winame him Pusa. Ano ba siya? Pusa siya, diba? Pero kanya, hindi siya Pusa. Hindi siya Pusa. Siya ay si Pusa. Pusa kasi. I-check muna tayong maglalabas na ako ng bahay. Pero later pa yon, syempre. Tapos kamay at iwagay-wag. taas sa kamay, at iwagay. A mysterious girl. Here's our mysterious girl. Yan. So guys, it's going to be ayan na guys!
Oo eh! Lagi nakakarumi. Yan, 12 na.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Sam. And I thank you very much that you didn't give up and that you've been through a lot. Happy New Year! Nagpuputo ka na sila mga. Ako mapalitan. Baka tatakad. Kaya pa to! So guys, ako kakain na kasi New Year, nice New Year, bitch! So this is the continuation of my paglamon for New Year edition. Guess what?